Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you've ever built a website or managed a web application, you know that testing is one of the most important, but also one of the most frustrating parts of software development. Traditional testing tools are powerful, but they usually require complex scripts, constant maintenance, and technical knowledge. Even a small change to your interface can break an entire automation workflow, forcing developers to spend valuable time fixing tests instead of building new features. But what if you could simply describe what you want to test in plain English and let AI handle everything else? That's exactly what Test-Lab.ai is designed to do. Test-Lab.ai is an AI-powered browser testing platform that uses autonomous AI agents to perform website testing just like a real human user. Instead of writing automation scripts, you simply tell the AI what you want to verify. The AI understands your instructions, opens a real browser, performs every action, and records the entire journey automatically. One of the biggest advantages is how easy it is to create tests. Test-Lab.ai removes that complexity by allowing anyone to create tests using natural language. This makes automated testing accessible not only for QA engineers, but also for developers, founders, product managers, and small startup teams. Another impressive feature is its AI-powered adaptability. Most traditional automation tools depend on fixed selectors, which means even a minor interface update can cause tests to fail. Test-Lab.ai takes a different approach. Using AI reasoning, it recognizes interface elements based on context rather than relying only on predefined selectors. As a result, many UI changes can be handled automatically without rewriting your tests, saving countless hours of maintenance. After every test, the platform generates a detailed report showing exactly what happened. You'll receive screenshots, execution logs, pass or fail results, and AI-generated explanations for every step. Instead of guessing why a test failed, you can quickly identify the issue and resolve it much faster. This level of visibility is especially valuable for teams releasing updates frequently. Test-Lab.ai also integrates smoothly into modern development workflows, whether you're testing a production website, a staging environment, or a development build. The platform supports multiple environments and scheduled testing. It also offers API access, CI/CD integration, and the ability to export Playwright compatible scripts. The platform includes different testing modes depending on your needs. Quick mode is perfect for validating essential user flows after small code changes, while deep mode uses multiple AI agents to explore your application more thoroughly, helping uncover unexpected bugs and broken user journeys before they reach production. So who is Test-Lab.ai for? It's an excellent solution for solo developers, startups, SaaS companies, QA teams, and enterprise organizations looking to reduce repetitive testing while improving software quality. Instead of spending hours maintaining fragile automation scripts, teams can focus on building better products while AI handles much of the repetitive work. Another thing worth mentioning is how easy it is to get started. The platform offers free credits for new users, allowing you to experience AI-powered testing before upgrading to a paid plan. That makes it easy to explore its capabilities without a large upfront investment. Overall, Test-Lab.ai represents a modern approach to software testing. By combining natural language instructions, autonomous AI agents, intelligent browser automation, and detailed reporting, it simplifies one of the most challenging parts of software development. As AI continues transforming the way we build software, testing is evolving alongside it. If you'd like to learn more, visit the official Test-Lab.ai website using the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.